Do you feel the vibes?
Now I did remove this circlip, but don't forget there is one distance piece or a kind of a shim in between two things. That means first is roller bearing, then the shim, then the lock, then the bearing, and then again lock. So we will have to remove. We have removed this also, but don't forget to put this back. While pressing the bearings, the process is completely different. Outer side will be fitted from outside, right, and the inner side will be fitted from the inside. But we will be fitting first circlip, then this shim, and then the bearing, right? So that also I'll show you. Now we'll remove the roller bearing and we'll press downside now. So I will remove this bearing and it will drop inside the crankcase. Going down now. That means I have to make sure that the swing is perfect. As you can see, the bearing is dropped and it's inside the crankcase now. So I'll just pull this out. Okay, so the bearing is out. As you can see, this is the bearing. And we are done with the bearing removal procedure from the crankcase. And then second part is that again you have to clean some more things. So this will go for washing. Other bearings you must be thinking we are keeping. No, we will be replacing that one by one as well. So but the main point what I wanted to show is the crank bearing. That is just a simple bearing which will be removed just like this only, right? So now next procedure is that fully cleaning and then reassembly of the engine. So guys, it's high time to go for reassembly of this UCE engine. While dismantling, I made very I haven't showed you details because it was dismantling procedure. But definitely in assembly procedure, while assembling everything I'm going to show you, but only related to where you need precision work, right? So everything I won't be able to show you, otherwise it will become too much. The video will become too large. So there I have to control, but main things what you want to see or what I want to show you, I'm going to tell you and I'm going to show you everything. So now we are going to assemble the engine. Everything is clean and clear now. So we have cleaned the crankcase. So now let's start the assembly.